Mastering Data Lineage Tracking with DVC, a practical guide. Today, we'll delve into how to effectively track data lineage using DVC, equipping you with skills to ensure data quality and reproducibility in your machine learning projects. Welcome to our channel. Did you know that without proper data lineage tracking, a small error in data can ripple through an entire machine learning project, leading to inaccurate results? In this video, we'll explore how mastering data lineage tracking with DVC can be a game changer. We'll cover everything from setting up DVC to visualizing data lineage and integrating it into your C/CD pipelines. By the end of this guide, you'll have practical skills to ensure your data's quality and reproducibility.
Data lineage refers to the journey data takes as it moves through an organization. It's the detailed record of data's path from its origin to its current state. In machine learning, understanding this path is crucial because it ensures the integrity and quality of data used to train models. Consider a scenario where a data pipeline includes multiple ETL processes. Without proper lineage tracking, tracing back to the original source in case of errors or discrepancies becomes a daunting task. Effective data lineage tracking not only helps in debugging and auditing but also enhances the reproducibility of ML experiments, making it an indispensable part of data management. DVC, or Data Version Control, is a powerful tool designed to handle data lineage, among other features. It provides a systematic way to track the data's transformation and evolution over time, making it easier to manage large datasets in machine learning projects. DVC's unique approach allows you to version control both the dataset and the model, ensuring that every change is logged and traceable. Unlike traditional methods that might rely on manual logging or complex scripts, DVC automates the process, offering a seamless integration with Git. This integration simplifies the tracking of data changes, making it possible to revert to previous states effortlessly. In this section, we'll walk through setting up DVC for tracking data lineage. First, ensure you have Git and Python installed on your system. Next, install DVC using pip with the command pip install DVC. Once installed, navigate to your project directory and initialize a DVC repository by running DVC init. This command sets up the necessary files and directories to start tracking data lineage. To track a dataset, use the command dvc add dataset_path. This command creates a .dvc file, which records metadata about the dataset. Finally, commit your changes and push them to your Git repository, ensuring that your data lineage is securely tracked.
DVC offers powerful tools to visualize data lineage through directed acyclic graphs, DAGs. By using the command dvc DAG, you can generate a visual representation of your data pipeline. This visualization helps you understand how data flows through various stages of your project, making it easier to identify dependencies and potential bottlenecks. The DAG output can be further integrated with tools like GraphViz for enhanced visualization. These visualizations are not just for aesthetics, they serve as a practical guide for debugging and optimizing your data workflows, ensuring that every step in your data pipeline is accounted for and traceable.
Maintaining accurate data lineage is essential for ensuring data quality and reproducibility. One key practice is to regularly update your DVC files to reflect any changes in datasets or models. Documenting each transformation step helps create a clear trail of changes, making it easier for team members to understand the data's journey. Automation is your ally. Set up automated processes to track lineage and notify you of any anomalies. Descriptive commit messages are also crucial, as they provide context for each change. Finally, regularly monitor your data lineage to ensure that it remains accurate and up-to-date. Tracking data lineage can be fraught with challenges, especially in complex ML projects. Common issues include inconsistencies in data versions, missing documentation, and difficulties in tracing data transformations. To overcome these, establish a robust version control system and ensure that all team members adhere to it. Regular audits and checks can help identify inconsistencies early on. For large datasets, consider using DVC storage options to handle data efficiently. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Leverage community forums and resources to find solutions and get support from others who have faced similar challenges.
Integrating DVC with C/CD pipelines can significantly enhance your data management processes. By automating data lineage tracking, you ensure that every change is accounted for in real time, maintaining continuous data quality. Start by selecting a C/CD tool that suits your project needs, such as Jenkins or GitHub Actions. Configure your pipeline to run DVC commands during builds and deployments, automating the tracking of data changes. This integration not only streamlines your workflows but also reduces the risk of human error, ensuring that your data remains accurate and reliable throughout the development lifecycle.
Let's look at some real-world case studies where DVC has made a significant impact. In one project, a team faced challenges with data quality due to inconsistent datasets. By implementing DVC for lineage tracking, they improved data integrity, resulting in more accurate model predictions. Another case involved a research group struggling with reproducibility. By adopting DVC, they were able to precisely document and replicate their experiments, enhancing the credibility of their findings. These examples highlight the transformative power of effective lineage tracking, showcasing how DVC can drive project success and pave the way for future innovations. As we reach the conclusion of our video, let's recap what we've learned. Data lineage is crucial for maintaining data quality and reproducibility, especially in machine learning projects. DVC offers robust tools for tracking and visualizing data lineage, helping you manage your data effectively. Now it's your turn to put these insights into action. Start implementing DVC in your projects and experience the benefits firsthand. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share your experiences with us. Join our community to continue the conversation and explore more topics on data management.